Welcome to today's mindful moment. Take a seat and close your eyes if you like. And leave whatever you've been doing and take a moment to just be. We've got nothing to do and nowhere that we have to be. Start to notice your breath as it rises and falls. Try to follow your next breath from the moment it arises until the very last moment you exhale. Try to focus in now on where you feel your breath in your body. Perhaps in your chest, your nose, shoulders, or stomach. Focus in on where you can feel the sensation of your breathing most. Do you feel any tension here? Are you holding yourself tightly in any way? Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension you might be holding, from your neck to your shoulders, in your chest, and into your stomach. Let it go. Now place your hands onto the bottom of your ribs and really feel how your ribs and stomach move as you breathe. On your next breath, really allow your ribs to move freely with your breath. And notice just how that movement makes you feel. Do this a few times over. We often hold a lot of tension in our body, perhaps without even really realizing. And this can restrict the movement of our breath, and this can enhance feelings of stress or worry. So when you notice this is happening, come back and use the technique in this exercise of taking a really deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension. And notice how this can help us feel physically calmer. So when you're ready, come back to the environment around you. Open your eyes. Bring your shoulders right up to your ears and hold them there for a couple of seconds. And let them go, letting them completely hang free. Great work! By completing today's mindful moment, you're one step closer to planting your next tree. So be sure to complete the other 5 to Thrive tools on the Today page to keep up your tree streak, which you can check your progress on in the My Mind page anytime. See you back here tomorrow.